60 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over South Marsh Island 40.
We are back. We are so back, guys.
Moving north at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 23, South Marsh Island 33, South Marsh Island 11, Vermilion 131, South Marsh Island 288, South Marsh Island 40, Vermilion 171, South Marsh Island 39, and South Marsh Island 27. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.